What you guys think of is that pink or orange shorts? Jonathan?
Orange.
Huh?
Orange.
Salmon?
Salmon? I don't know, man.
Looks like a fish. Blue shoes, salmon shorts. I really can't talk shit though, so we should show them what I was wearing earlier. I think that would be against community standards because my wong was hanging out. So TikTok is trying to talk us into doing a whole series, like a TV show. Spot, sit. Sit. Spot, sit. He said he's sit. Sit. Broken dog. Sit. Hi, Kata. Did you get to come out today?
Yeah, the car.